How to change character in Farlight 84. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. Switching characters in Farlight 84 lets you try different abilities and playstyles to match your strategy. So in order to do that, launch open the Farlight 84 game on your smartphone or tablet and sign into your account. Once you're in the main lobby page, go ahead and tap on your profile name at the top left corner and click on Customize the bottom right corner. You'll then be able to see the characters presented on the left. Select the character you want to change to, and after selecting the character, click on Equip at the bottom right. Now you can head back to the main home screen, and that's how you change your character in the game. You can also change your lobby character. If you want to do that, then go ahead and get back to the lobby screen and tap Heroes from the bottom left and choose a different character you want in your lobby. Now click on Show in Lobby at the bottom right and get back to the lobby screen, and you'll notice your character changed in the lobby. So that is how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.